users can stay engaged and confident in conversations no matter how challenging the environment is. My name is Maria Navati, and I'm a senior researcher at Oticon. So personally, I found it remarkable that this study highlighted benefits that have never been demonstrated before. Typically, hearing aids are tested in setups that include noise only from the back. And this is a simple case for directionality because it's geared towards enhancing speech from the front and removing noise from the back. However, in real life, we often have noise from other directions and many times the same direction as the speech. So in this study, we wanted to ensure we have a realistic setup, diffuse, and therefore we played noise both from the back as well as from the front. And this way, we strengthened the relevance of our results to real life. It was extremely rewarding to see Oticon Intent outperform competition in such a realistic setup. We aimed, of course, for a fair and systematic comparison of all the devices, and that is why we conducted the study in a controlled lab environment. So we placed the hearing aids on the head and torso simulator, and we recorded the responses through the ear canals, the amplified sound from the hearing aids. Each device was fitted to the same moderate hearing loss and set to the prescribed settings of the manufacturer. In this way, we can ensure that all the parameters are identical and then the results are comparable across devices. Our study shows that Oticon Intent performs exceptionally well at a range of environment complexities, so from simple to complex and very complex, and when noise comes from the same direction as the speech. Specifically for the very complex situation, we have shown that Oticon Intent can provide up to 45% more access to speech cues compared to 4 leading brands. So this means that hearing aid users can confidently rely on Oticon Intent to provide the necessary support compared to other devices, even in very challenging situations where they cannot turn their back towards the noise, but still would like to communicate.